Okay, are you aware of the India-Iran ties at the current moment?
Yes, ma'am.
How are they?
Ma'am, as such, they are amicable, but because of US sanctions and the conditions in Iran, domestic conditions, they are vulnerable. However, India and Iran are trying not to let it affect it.
Okay, what is the issue with US and Iran going on?
Ma'am, US and Iran have had standoff since around 1979, since the revolution, and US does not support the present regime of Iran, and also the issue was about the nuclear test that Iran is undertaking, which US does not support, and they even suspended the JCPOA, which was to control nuclear enrichment by Iran. However, Iran has remained consistent. And third issue is the Iran's support to the non-state actors in its region, which who are in US perspective, they are creating instability.
So you sound like US is not wrong in attacking Iran or planning to strike Iran at the current scenario.
Ma'am, attacking a sovereign country is not justified in the international rule order, especially under UN Charter. And the reasons, the reason why Iran is presently in turmoil is partly also because of US, because the sanctions have disturbed Iran economy.
US striking over Iran, will it affect India in terms of the diaspora?
Yes, ma'am, to an extent.
What kind of diaspora exists in Iran?
Ma'am, I do not have much knowledge on that. Sorry, ma'am.